Hey guys, Mr. Seekid here back with another video. Today I'm going to be reacting to two different trucking videos. One's from I'm guessing Europe, somewhere in Europe, Germany, and one video of Aussie trucks in like the Northern Territory and stuff. So this one right here, I see a sign that says Nuremberg. That's Germany, so I'm guessing this is Germany. And yeah, I'm just gonna see all the different stuff and how it goes. Copyright by European. Okay, well, this is the creator. So if you want to go check him out, then go ahead, because I had to really look for an actual video that was proper. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so this is a Scania truck, which we do have these in Australia, right? It's got a huge, like a lot of decoration. Looks, I don't know, I'm pretty sure this is about, this artwork's about war. Okay. Some sort of advertisement they're trying to put out. I don't know what that is. Pretty sure it's just a company. Scania 2. Some of these trucks have like some loud exhausts and stuff. Oh, they got a subway. They got some. Oh, this one's pretty interesting. He's got a bunch of He's got a big artwork of Vikings. I don't know what that is. What brand the truck is. I'm gonna need 5 minutes on both of these videos just to like let you know. Oh, that's a pirate thing, I think. Pirate themed. Dirk Switch. Totally butchered that name, the brand name, because I just don't know how to read that either. Here's the first Volvo we've seen. Well, that's pretty cool. You've got some sort of artwork. And then you've got a Mercedes in the back. Oh, that's really cool. Like some dinosaurs in a jungle, and it's a Mercedes. They get pretty creative sometimes with these artworks. Alright, we got this Scania. It's a pretty good horn. I like that horn. Then we got a truck and trailer Mercedes. Didn't know they did that over there. This guy's got a lot of decoration, it looks like, in his cabin and his truck. And a pretty big bull bar. Oh well. I did not know they had traditional cabs in Germany. I thought that was just an American and Australian thing. So this is a Volvo. I see like in a lot of the videos they have trucks just like this in the States and Canada. We don't have these here where I live in Australia, built by Volvo, but we have trucks that look like that. Got some beautiful artwork on there. I don't know what that is. It's pirate theme thing. Scania. It's got like these little things in his cabin. Right, we're going to move on to the next video. Let's go. Alright, now we're on to the Australian one. So we got a big truck of some sort. It's a Western Star. Carrying like a few parts and trailers, like trailer 3, trailer train. Alright, so that's South Australia. It's going pretty fast. Alright. I didn't see that truck coming up. A huge Kenworth. I don't know, that could be a T909 or a something T90 something. Could be something else, I don't know. First cab over. Mercedes. Linfox. Pretty famous brand in Australia. Shipping company. Ooh, Dead Eagle. This is a pretty good angle, even though the Dead Eagle's just right there. So this is somewhere in between Queensland and oh, now they just switched. I don't know where they are now. We've got a road train going. It's probably super hot out there some days. It looks cool right now in this shot in the afternoon. Carrying a bunch of cabins. I'm starting to recognise that all the trucks in Europe, they'll have decorations and stuff, but for these shots in Australia, that all the trucks don't have like so much decorations. I can understand why, because where they're out there in the outback, it'll get all dirty. And that shot really explains it, with all the dirt and dust getting catched like all over the truck. Alright, so he's about to go onto the main road, this blue truck. So that's kind of a bit of like some sort of like art job, like a paint job of that blue truck. Then you got a big, what is that? Could be Western Star. Western Star coming in. Then he's carrying some sort of farm equipment. What was that? Oh. Old Freightliner. Run into this ampule. Alright, one more shot and we're going to wrap this up. Mercedes car carrier. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Last video we just like, chilled around and all that, so I just wanted to do what we did in the last video again, because I kind of enjoyed doing the last video with the comparisons and all that. If you want me to do this again, I'll find a certain part of the world and you can request if you want me to do your certain area, or you'll ever want to just talk about certain trucks or trains. It could be anything you want from your certain area. I can probably do it for you. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for now. So see you guys later. Bye.